Welcome to our Windows IT support course. Today, we're exploring the critical foundation of editions, versions, and life cycles. Understanding how Windows is structured is a mandatory skill for any IT support professional. In an IT support role, you are the bridge between complex systems and user productivity. Version management ensures security compliance and feature availability across your organizational network. Let's begin our deep dive, starting with Windows 11 fundamentals. The underlying architecture determines how updates are pushed and managed by IT teams. Monitoring performance is key to proactive support rather than reactive firefighting. BSOD errors require systematic analysis. We'll show you how to read these reports. When a crash occurs, your first goal is to preserve data and stabilize the environment. Effective IT teams share knowledge through documentation and peer-to-peer troubleshooting. Configuration management is how you ensure every machine remains secure and up to date. Precision in configuration prevents the most common support tickets. Data center management requires a deep understanding of server-side OS deployment. Automating mundane tasks allows you to focus on high-level troubleshooting. New technologies like VR and holographic data are changing how IT support is delivered. Machine learning can help predict system failures before they impact users. Securing the network is an ongoing process that starts with the individual operating system. The Internet of Things expands your support surface significantly. A professional environment fosters better focus for complex coding and repair tasks. Understanding hardware boot processes is essential for deep system recovery. Correct PHP configuration is vital for web services running on Windows servers. Mobile device detection logic helps in delivering tailored user experiences. Tracking system performance is necessary to maintain service-level agreements. Real-time system monitors reveal bottlenecks in memory and disk operations. Batch scripts remain powerful tools for rapid software deployment on Windows. Understanding the digital landscape helps IT professionals manage connectivity issues. Security monitoring interfaces provide deep insights into file encryption activities. Launching digital products involves many stages, from design to lifecycle management. Knowing basic web development helps in troubleshooting enterprise portal issues. Mastering the command line is essential for efficient file management. Visualizing complex data trends makes performance reporting much more effective. Server socket management is a core skill for back-end IT infrastructure tasks. Developing small utility applications can significantly simplify support workflows. Leverage AI tools to generate code and automate repetitive dashboard creation. Understanding product life cycles helps in planning long-term IT infrastructure investments. Carefully reviewing code snippets is the best way to debug custom configuration. HTML and CSS structures form the basis of most modern internal tools. Real-time monitoring is crucial for detecting unauthorized file access. A proactive stance on cybersecurity is the first line of defense. Standardizing your coding practices makes maintenance much simpler for the entire team. Automated installation logic is a cornerstone of modern IT provisioning strategies. Mastery of the command line interface remains an essential skill for deep system navigation. Understanding how to isolate variables is the key to solving complex OS issues. Knowledge of memory allocation and freeing processes is crucial for system stability. The boot process is where most hardware-software communication conflicts are diagnosed. Choosing the right Windows edition depends on your organization's security and management requirements. Professional and enterprise editions provide the tools necessary for corporate network integration. Staying current with version releases is vital for maintaining a modern security posture. Build numbers track specific development cycles, helping you identify targeted patch levels. Differentiating between feature and quality updates ensures smooth operational continuity. The support lifecycle defines when an operating system reaches its end of utility. Knowing your lifecycle policy is essential for planning software migration projects. Always verify end-of-support dates to prevent exposing your infrastructure to known vulnerabilities. We have covered the foundational aspects of Windows versions and lifecycle management. Continuous learning is the hallmark of a high-performing IT support professional. Remember these 3 pillars to keep your system secure, updated, and efficient.